I'm Genny Williams with Extra Living at eXp Realty, and you're watching Life Along 280 in Chelsea. I'm Genny Williams, and I'm here today at Chelsea Tire with my friends Mike Kraft and John Kraft. And this has been such a community staple, and we're so grateful that y'all are here, guys.
Well, thanks for having us. We're glad to be here.
So recently I was out showing houses and I hit a pothole in my car and completely had a blowout. And called AAA to come get me, and they were, we can take you to this place. No. Take it to Chelsea Tire now. And of course I had somebody else come and pick me up so I could resume showings, but the car came here and y'all helped me get a very special special order tire for my car, so thank y'all.
Thank you. That's what we do. We try to please.
I know, and I just heard from you that my husband was even here this morning.
That's right, sure was. Early this morning.
So we have a ton of cars at our house with 2 kids in college and 2 of our family members having 2 extra cars, and all of them come through Chelsea Tire regularly. So I know that y'all get to see and visit so many people in Chelsea. You get to know everybody, right?
We try.
So what made you guys open Chelsea Tire?
Well, there was a need at that point in time in 2005, and so Mike was working elsewhere, and I made a phone call to Mike and said, hey, I think Chelsea needs a tire store. And so, 2 weeks later, we were open.
I was going to say, you call him with something, he's going to have it open and running. So, and you've got extensive background with tires. And you've got an extensive background with mechanics and working on cars.
Yep. So
it just makes perfect sense, right? Blended together. But y'all, you just said something. 15 years. That's a long time.
A long time.
Good for y'all.
Yeah, but I've been doing it since 1981.
Yes, you have.
40 years.
Yes.
In the tire and service business, so long time.
I'm
old as dirt.
Well, all of that knowledge coming together for our Chelsea community. And, what's your favorite thing about having this store open?
Well, we're really in the people business. That's ultimately, we do provide a service, but it's a big family. Part of our saying is we try to treat every customer like it's our mother. We love our mother dearly.
I was going to say, and y'all have no idea how much Mama is loved. Let me just put it out there.
But, at the end of the day, we just try to take care of customers. I've been doing this for 40 years, and I can probably count on one hand customers that I really couldn't help. Sometimes I just won't let you help them, but we try. We're not perfect, but we have perfect intentions.
Absolutely.
So what about you? What's your favorite thing?
Just being able to intermingle with the people of Chelsea. Being able to shop locally, being able to help people in need.
So what do y'all say to people that say, oh, I just ordered my tires online?
Well, we used to kind of balk about it, but we've embraced it. We have it on our website where the people that want to, the convenience, hassle-free, we provide that. So they can order the tires, they're shipped here directly, they're paid for online, and then all they got to do is pay us to install them. So we've embraced it.
Well, good, but you don't do just tires.
Oh no.
Oh no, we do quite a bit of service, pretty much anything bumper to bumper except rebuilding the motor or rebuilding the transmission.
So brakes and oil changes and...
Oh yeah, timing belts, water pumps, belts, hoses, filters, you name it.
Before I had AAA, and I would forget that I had AAA, I would just call John and go, what do I do? And he'd say, call this guy, and he'll come get you. So you can also put John on your speed dial whenever you're having car problems, and he'll tell you what to do.
Well, and that's what we try. We try to be a one-stop shop. I mean, we've had people that have cracked windshields, that have had fender benders. We pop out, we've got service providers that come here on site. They'll pull a dent out, they'll touch up paint, they'll replace a windshield. So, I mean, there's so many things. We do lift kits, suspension lifts, tires, wheels, air conditioned work. We have a master tech. Actually, we have 2 ASE certified technicians, and then we offer the free rotation and balance for the life of the tires. But with partnering with Tire Pros and Napa, the warranties that we have, Napa provides any service that we do comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. That's pretty strong in the industry today.
Well, being a realtor, I can burn that up in a year. No time. So let's talk a minute about lift kits and all those specialty truck items. I bet a lot of people don't know you do that.
No, we still have people that come in every day that go, well, I thought you just did only tires.
Right.
We do a lot. Now, we don't fabricate the things that one of our friends down the road do, but we do customize. I mean, we do lift kits, but we don't get into the fabricating part of it. That's
Right.
We try to stay with the OE stuff.
Well, the kids these days, you gotta have,
The accessories.
Yes, you do. You have to have it jacked up and,
Yep.
Front
so-
bumpers, rear bumpers, lights, you name it, we've done it.
All right, so you need to stop by because they have a great location right on 280, and it overlooks the entire city. That big span of a few miles. Stop by and come meet John and Mike here at Chelsea Tire. Here at Chelsea Tire, you can pick up all kinds of things to keep the maintenance of your car going and have them take a look at what needs to be done as far as oil change and fluids and service. But when it comes to servicing your house and getting it ready to put on the market, there is a lot more to it. You can't just pick it up and take it somewhere. You're going to have somebody take a look at it. And right now, what we're seeing a trend in is if there is a home inspection that is not quite up to par, people are using it to negotiate highly and price the house. So we don't want that to happen to you. My husband, who is a home builder, has just joined our business at Extra Living at eXp Realty, and he is actually helping prepare the houses for sale by going in and taking a really good look at what might come up on a home inspection so that you don't have any surprises. We can take care of all of that, and you pay that at closing, make it easy peasy so that you get the most out of this market whenever you go to sell. So give me a call and we'll discuss it.